All right, it's October 22nd, real estate and mortgage rate update. It's also the 22nd day of the government shutdown. So let's take a look at what is going on with rates. So 30-year fixed, 6.17 national average. Again, this is as of today. When we start to look at FHA and VA, we're dropping below 6. This monthly principal and interest payment right here is based on the median home price in Washington County, 20% down. In fact, if we come here and look right here, median home price for Washington County, $569,605. I'll touch on this here in another second, but let's jump into what's going on. As I've mentioned in the last several weeks of market updates, that in the absence of economic reports, we're just kind of trading with these technical factors. So you can see it's mostly sideways. The shutdown began on October 1st. So we did break above this line, kind of dropped below a little bit, but now we've broken back above this, which was a ceiling, and now we're just in this channel here, trading sideways with very small incremental daily movement. It's certainly trending in the right direction, but there's one thing to note, and I think this is going to be a decent market mover, is Friday we're going to get the CPI, or Consumer Price Index. Now, this is a huge inflation report, and this was supposed to come out on October 15th, but because of the government shutdown, it was delayed. And the only reason it's coming out now is they basically called the BLS into session in order to release this data for the Social Security Administration's cost of living adjustment. So pretty disrupted things that would typically impact what's going on in the mortgage market. So Friday could be a surprise, up or down in terms of mortgage bonds. So we're crossing our fingers that we're moving in the right direction. However, all that said, this could be an indicator of what tariffs are doing from an inflation standpoint. And that's really going to dictate what's going to happen next with mortgage rates. So stay tuned for the next mortgage rate update.